Improve the visibility of your solar panel business in your area with engaging sales and marketing campaigns. Contact Multiplier Effect Media in Lutz today. The agency offers 50% off your first month's plan that includes creation of local area campaigns, ad optimization, and lead generation with a 25-mile radius exclusivity. The team creates campaigns that focus on converting high-quality leads through engaging content. The agency also builds websites and landing pages and creates custom-designed ads. The services are available in a range of packages designed to meet your unique marketing needs and budget. Boost your solar panel business's visibility with creative marketing content today. Find out more at multipliereffectmedia.com.